The OSI model is a logical model for how network systems are supposed to communicate to each other. The OSI model breaks down the components of network communication into 7 different layers. Understanding the OSI model makes it easier to solve problems in a network system.
Layer 7 of the OSI model is the application layer. The PDU at this layer is called data. It defines protocols such as HTTP, FTP, SMTP, and DNS. It is the main interface for the user to interact with the application and therefore the network. The application layer functions typically include identifying communication partners, determining resource availability, and synchronizing communication. Layer 6 of the OSI model is the presentation layer. The PDU at this layer is data. It manages the presentation of the information in an ordered and meaningful manner. The primary function is the syntax and semantics of the data transmission. Provides a variety of coding and conversion functions that are applied to the application layer. Defines data formatting, encryption, decryption, and optionally compression.
Layer 5 of the OSI model is the session layer. The PDU at this layer is called data. This layer handles security and access control. This layer is also responsible for establishing, maintaining, terminating sessions between devices. The PPPT and PAP are some of the protocols defined in this layer. Layer 4 of the OSI model is the transport layer. The PDU at this layer is called a segment. Messages are divided into segments in this layer. This layer handles sequencing and acknowledgements to ensure messages are received and reassembled correctly by other devices. Layer 3 of the OSI model is the network layer. The PDU at this layer is either a packet or a datagram. Data segments are encapsulated into packets that are then processed by the data link layer. Routing and addressing protocols such as IPv4 and RIP are defined in this layer. Layer 2 of the OSI model is the data link layer. The PDU at this layer is called a frame. Packets processed in this layer are encapsulated into frames that can then be processed in the physical layer. Error detection and correction such as CSMA CD is defined in this layer. Layer 1 of the OSI model is the physical layer. The PDU at this layer is called a bit. This layer defines how devices are connected and the cables that are used to connect the devices. Bits are processed into electrical signals that can be sent over the network cables in this layer.